Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Campbell River is a vibrant city, located on the east coast of Vancouver Island in British Columbia. Known as the salmon capital of the world, it offers exceptional fishing opportunities and a rich maritime heritage. The city serves as a central hub for the northern Vancouver Island and Central Coast regions, combining a friendly small-town atmosphere with modern amenities. Visitors can explore attractions like the Maritime Heritage Center, the museum at Campbell River, and the Discovery Passage Aquarium. Outdoor enthusiasts will enjoy the Rotary Sea Walk, a scenic pathway along the waterfront. Campbell River is also the gateway to Strathcona Provincial Park, the oldest provincial park in British Columbia, offering hiking trails, waterfalls, and diverse wildlife. The nearby Discovery Islands provide opportunities for kayaking, boating, and wildlife viewing. With its stunning natural beauty, rich cultural experiences, and a variety of outdoor activities, Campbell River is a must-visit destination on Vancouver Island.